Are you wondering if Kalodata is really worth paying for, or if you should just stick with the free tools out there? Let's break it down. Kalodata has become one of the most talked about tools for TikTok product research and shop analytics, helping creators, sellers, and marketers find trending products fast. But when it comes to pricing and plans, what are you actually getting, and is it worth it? Let's start with the basics. Kalodata offers several pricing tiers, each designed for different types of users, from casual product researchers to full-on e-commerce pros. The free plan gives you limited daily searches and basic analytics, which is great if you're just testing the waters. But if you're serious about finding winning TikTok shop products, that's where the paid plans really shine. With the Pro plan, you unlock advanced filters, real-time product tracking, and deeper shop insights, basically everything you need to spot trends before everyone else does. And if you're running a team or a brand, the business plan goes even further. You get full market overviews, keyword intelligence, and shop-level analytics that give you a serious competitive edge. Now here's the best part: if you're planning to try Kalodata today, there's a special offer for viewers of this video. Right pointing backhand index, click the link in the description below to get 10% off any Kalodata plan. Whether you're just starting out or scaling your TikTok shop, that little discount makes your first investment even smarter. So, is Kalodata worth it? If you're looking to grow your TikTok shop, find viral products fast, and actually understand what's trending, then yes, Kalodata absolutely delivers value for the price. The data is accurate, the insights are actionable, and the interface is beginner-friendly. At the end of the day, the right plan depends on how deep you want to go with your research. But with that 10% discount waiting for you, it's definitely worth trying out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.